What is up, you guys? Today we are building or rebuilding the Mercedes SL. With that being said, let's dive right in. Here we go. This is kind of an update video, and we're gonna get a lot done in this video, hopefully. But today we are gonna be working on the Mercedes SL550, not 500. And while we are working on this, Christina is over here working on her WRX. I don't know exactly what she's doing to it, but you're gonna have to tune into her TikTok because I don't know, we'll talk to her when she gets back. Anyways, I have a lot to update you guys on in regards to this vehicle. Where do I start? We have all the trim off of the car, so all of the fins up top on the hood, on the fender, and we just painted all of that. Say something stupid. All right, I like it. What's up, Eddie? They just hit 10K on Instagram. Go check out Vet Lab. But back here is my little secret painting station. You can see we painted the fog light caps. They were initially chrome, now they're gloss black. The fins that we were just talking about are now matte black, and they turned out really good. And then, of course, the logos are all gloss black now. Here is the original bumper. It's all crooked, and that's not sitting very well. But this is the original back bumper. We did swap it out for the newer generation style, so you guys may remember that video. Back over at the car, all I have left to wrap today is this section right here. Which honestly this takes a long time. I did it on the other side. It took me like 3-4 hours to do. This is gonna be black since we're gonna be tinting the window. It's gonna give a whole blacked out look, a clean, sleek, uninterrupted look is what I like to say. And then we have this panel right here, which has been my worst nightmare. I did a kind of a ratchet job at masking, so just ignore that. But there was a big key mark. If you guys remember, I sanded it down, I primed it, and then I hit it with the paint, which was like a brush, and it left a lot of brush marks on it, so I couldn't really wrap over that. Oh boy. Bro. Bro's just interrupting the video.
This is BB-8.
Yo, what are you working on over here? You about to vacuum your engine out?
This is BB-8.
Oh, from Star Wars? Gotcha, okay.
Yeah.
Wait, what are you about to do for real? What are you working on?
I literally am just bolt-ons. That's what I'm working on.
Just bolt-ons?
Yeah, we got an oil cap and a battery case.
An oil, not an oil catch can, an oil cap.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, I mean, it's a start. Well, you have fun with that. But yeah, so I did all that, and I couldn't buff the kind of brush marks out, so we ended up just sanding it again, and I went and got this custom filled, and it is the exact paint color of the car. So we hit it, and now it is smooth as silk. It's not perfect, but it's gonna be good enough to wrap. So I'm gonna remove all of this, and we're gonna okay. What I am most excited about today is the fact that we're finally putting the front bumper back on with the new headlights. Now, if you guys remember, the headlights were all chrome. They were reflectors on the inside, projectors on the outside, and the whole assembly was chrome. I took them off and I sent them to California to get rebuilt. And they just got back here to Detroit, Michigan yesterday. And honestly, you guys, they just turned out amazing. Now, one problem is I did it on my Mustang and it was a pain in the butt. So that's why I sent them to get done professionally this time. I just didn't feel like doing it myself. Am I capable? Sure. Do I want to? No. But hear me out. The lenses, they need to be buffed and cleaned up. They are so scratched up and they're foggy and smoggy, and they just don't look good. So we have my friend Ryan coming over, NT Detailing, and he's gonna come over here and he's gonna sand buff the headlights, which are right here, and he's also gonna do the fog lights. Now, let me show you the headlights. They don't look good because of the lenses. But this is them. So guys, this is a huge difference from before. This whole entire thing, everything you're seeing was literally chrome. I sent them out to my friend Tamim, and they look beautiful. The black around the outside, he painted. And then this section right here, he painted like a silver metallic. He also replaced this, which was a reflector bulb, replaced it with a projector, and then bought the shroud and painted the shroud and the outside the same color. So this whole thing is brand new, and it looks so much cleaner than it did before. And it's really gonna match the black accents on the vehicle. And yes, we are getting wheels. Those have came in from Throttle. But Ryan will be here in about 5 minutes, and he's gonna get to work on these while they are off the car. Then we're gonna reinstall them. I'm like so excited right now. This car's really starting to come together. I need to get this all for TikTok. I'll be right back. Yo, there he is, the man himself. Damn, this bitch sexy. Ooh, look at the fitment on that. That's crazy. Mr. NT Detailing.
Yes, sir. In the flesh.
Coming through.
What's going on, my guy?
How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good.
My man has his entire kit and he's ready to.
Oh, yeah.
What are you about to do?
Headlights.
About to do the headlights, the fog lights.
Yep.
Christina, Ryan, Christina.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to
Hey,
meet you.
it's actually our first time meeting.
I know, isn't it crazy?
Yeah.
All right, this is what you're working with, my guy.
Okay.
They no longer make these lenses anymore. I just got the headlights basically redone. I mean, they're really clean. They just need that fresh touch that you got,
Okay.
you know?
Yeah.
Hitting it with some wet sand. Oh, I just got a fresh cut too. Look at me. I'm all saucy now. Ooh, feeling myself. Light skin. Ooh. Damn, damn, bro, you ruined my headlights. What the f is this? Can you imagine, like, you hand them back to somebody and be like, here's your final result? It'd be so
Like,
cool.
yeah, here it is.
Oh, that's the secret sauce right there, isn't it?
A little bit.
That's the secret sauce. Okay, okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The headlights aren't going to be absolutely perfect because the inside of the lens is pretty foggy as well, and I really don't feel like cracking them open and polishing them just because I want to get them on the car already. We've been waiting way too long. With that being said, here is the before and after. Dang, that is before, you guys. You guys can see there is quite the imperfections on there. And then this is after, so definitely a lot more clear. Okay, I'm excited. All right, wow, we're a little bit crooked, that's okay. Since I'm about to tint the taillights on the car, I'm gonna put a film over them. We might as well get a lot of those little micro scratches out, so Ryan's just gonna hit them real quickly. So that means I'm gonna remove all of this stuff. So, bear with me. Wow, 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 just like that, everybody is gone. I am here at the shop all by myself completely. I have a lot of work to do. I'm gonna be here really late. Ryan finished up the headlights and everything. Everything looks pretty good. There was a lot of residue on the inside of the lenses. I ended up taking the headlights apart. Oh, I didn't want to do it. This is like the entire reason why I sent them out to get done in the first place. And I ended up having to take them apart anyways. And so yeah, Ryan's gonna come back and he's gonna polish the insides of them just to clean them up a little bit more, just because there's a lot of residue. But yeah, here's what they look like, I guess, now that you guys can actually see them. They look really good, and I gotta get all that squared away, get them put back on the car, then put the front bumper back on the car. I have a lot of work to do. Yo, welcome back.
Hey.
Yo, so Ryan pulled back up, gonna do a little bit more dirty work on those headlights for me. I'm about to get these installed right here on the hood, and I painted them because they were like a satin silver. Now they're matte black. I think I did a pretty good job, not gonna lie. I'm gonna keep unmasking them and show you guys what it looks like when it's done. There is a little wire harness right here, and then there's also the attachment for the windshield fluid right there. So we're gonna clip it on. There we are. Look at that. That looks really good. Oh my God, this car's gonna be so sexy. I'm so excited.
You need an engine bay detail.
You think what I'm thinking?
Next time.
All right, deal. Little update for you guys. It is 1 a.m. right now, and I got the door handle on. I started to wrap this mirror. This door handle was pretty damn tricky. It took me about an hour to get on, I'm not gonna lie. And that is partially due to because I did not take it off. Rama's Future Wraps took it off, so it took me some figuring out, but I got it. So essentially, this piece goes in here. You have to line it up perfectly, which took me forever. And then you line up this little piece, and that goes right here. And then you have a little screw that is going to screw in. It's right here, actually. Right here's the threading, and so it goes right in there, and it takes a long time to get that screw in as well. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. Currently 3 in the morning. I'm here by myself still, and it's just not happening. It's a night. It's a night. Quick progress update, and then we're gonna have to do a part 2. Like, this is not okay. I got these installed and they look really good. Just 4 screws underneath. I connected the lower trim piece on there, and this piece is closed off for some reason. I don't know why they have it separate necessarily, but those look very good nonetheless. I wrapped the mirror. That obviously took a very long time. That's like quite literally it. Like, that's just how long that takes. Obviously Ryan came and worked on the headlights. However, I have not sealed them back up yet. They are simply, I just put the lens back on. You can still see there's a lot of kind of fog and weird looking stuff in there. This one's pretty clear, but I just learned about something. There is a so-called vapor headlight restoration kit. They supposedly work very well on these headlights, which you cannot really, they don't make these anymore. So I can't buy lenses or anything. I have to make do with what I got. So I ordered that, and unfortunately that means we have to wait till that comes in to work on the inside and outside of these lenses, which means we're not gonna be able to put the front bumper back on until we're done with the headlights. That kit will be in 2 days from now. My flashlight is still on. This is a mouthful. We're gonna tint the parking lights right here that I have removed. We're gonna tint the taillights to be similar to the SL63 taillights, which are ultimately the exact same thing, except they're tinted and mine are not. This panel, obviously we repainted it. Huge shout out to Ed for helping out with that. We're gonna be wrapping that tomorrow as well in the next video. Then reinstalling the mirror caps. We're gonna be reinstalling the side trim piece right here. We are gonna be putting on a third brake light. We're gonna be putting on a carbon fiber gas cap. We're gonna be doing a whole bunch of stuff in the next video. So make sure you guys tune into that. I promise you we will have the car fully reassembled in that video. I'm not saying that it's gonna be completely done with the modifications, but everything we took off the car to paint or to wrap is gonna be completely, is gonna be installed. Okay, I'm going home. I'm going home. My head is literally, I could feel my brain throbbing. On that note, you guys, maybe it's this bright car, I'm not sure. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to tune in and subscribe if you haven't. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We'll catch you next time. Peace out.